Hey everyone, Tony here. Does it feel like your computer is getting a little sluggish lately? Or maybe you're worried about all those security pop-ups telling you to buy expensive software? Well, today we're going to master your machine using 5 built-in secrets that most people ignore. No extra cost, no technical jargon, just simple optimization. Secret number 1 is the spring cleaning, storage sense. You want to go down to your taskbar, hit the start button, come in here, click on your settings. Over on the left hand side, go down to your system, and then you want to go down until you hit here, storage. Storage space, drives, configuration, rules. Click that to open it. It's going to ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You want to select yes. And then once inside, you want to go to the second block down here where it's storage management. And the first one there is storage sense. And what it does is it automatically frees up space, deletes temporary files, and manages locally available cloud content. You want to go over here and you want to make sure that is set to on. If it's like this, off, you want it set to on. You could go in here. One more for the options. Keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Automatic user content cleanup, you want that selected to be on. Then you can configure cleanup schedules. I run it every week. You could delete files in the recycling bin if they've been there over, I have 14 days. You could do 1 day, never, 30 days, 60 days. I like it at 14. Also, it deletes files in my downloads folder if they haven't been open for more than 14 days. You have the same options there. If you have locally available cloud content, I do not have that, but you could configure that here. This is for my phone. I could do that here, but I do that by myself. And you could also run it right now. Click that and away it'll go. They only be able to clean up 14 megabytes because I always keep mine clean using this. Alright, secret 2 is the security guard, Windows security. And that's over here. If you go down to the second one from the bottom, privacy and security, you could click on that. Then over here in the security, the top group here, it's the first one, Windows security. Just make sure that your protection areas, the 1, 2, 3, 4, first 5 of them all have green check marks in there. You can go up to the top here, open Windows security. There they are right there, all 5. You could click in there. You can learn more about what's going on in here. Account protection, your Microsoft account, you could lock them. Firewall and network protection, this is on. If you click it, that's managed by me. But you could turn them on, off. Right here, you want the firewall, you want it to be on, that's off. It'll give you this if you want to change it. I don't want to change it. Leave it on. And that's it. Make sure all those on and it'll run in the background while you're using your computer. The third secret, we're going to go down here to the search and we're going to type in defragment and optimize drives, which this is what you want to see. Then you want to hit open. Once this pops up, 80% of the Windows computers use Windows as their C drive for their operating system. I have other ones, external hard drives for pictures and other stuff that I do. If I wanted to defragment them, or like my pictures drive, I could analyze it and it'll run a quick analyzation and it doesn't need to be defragmented. Or I could just optimize it. Could do it to whichever drive is here, and that just makes your computer run a lot faster by putting all the files closer together and they're not all over the place. Close this when you're finished. And then the secret number 4 is for the speed boost for your startup apps. So you want to go back to your settings. Then you want to come over here on the left hand side. You want to hit apps. And then down here on the bottom, it's the second one up, startup. Apps that start up automatically when you sign in. You want to click on that. And you want to scroll through here and see what starts up and what doesn't. I have everything on mine shut off except for my phone. I'd rather have more control over my apps. I start them and stop them when I need them, and when I don't need them, they don't bog down my computer. And then for the last one, the last secret is the Windows update. And that's over here on the left. You want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, Windows update, and click on that. And right here, the first one for the more options, you want to make sure that this is on. You could, if it's in this position off, just click it to there and you will get the latest updates as soon as they're available. You could go to advanced options right here. You could hit receive updates for other Microsoft Office products if you have Word, all that. Keep me up to date. Receive an update. You could download them immediately. You could change your active hours if you work from home and there's certain hours of the day that you want to not have updates done. All your settings will be in here. But other than that, that'll just keep your computer updated. It'll notify you when it needs to put in. It'll help you with security patches, keeps viruses out, and that's it. 5 simple ways to keep your PC fast and safe. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Tony's Novice Tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.